Welcome everyone, let's unbox the S Pen Pro Edition. Many of you have been wondering if it supports the outside screen of the Z Fold series. I'll be testing that as well. So I have also cut my tongue, so if I'm talking a little bit weird, that is why. So we just got to pull up here, and here we go. Here is the Pro Edition S Pen. So if we take a look at this guy itself, this is a very large S Pen. Some people will actually like that though, because it's actually not. There we go. So this S Pen right here, if I compare it to the Z Fold 4, it's actually larger. That may be a turn off for you, but just think for seconds. Some people do like the larger pen sizes. I mean, I have the Fold Edition somewhere here. Let me just find it. Here we go. You can see the Fold Edition compared to the Pro. The Pro is way larger here. Alright, so let's just see, is this plug and play? No. Let's flip it up. Plug and play? No. So I'm assuming we actually have to connect this guy. So I'm going to unlock the S Pen here. And let's see, one of these buttons, I'm going to predict the top button. I'm going to press this guy down. Let's see if the connection works. And nothing happens. Let's try the bottom button here. And nothing works either. Maybe the S Pen is dead. I really don't know. So let's just take a look here. I believe we have to open up the lid somehow. There we go. Not the most easiest way, but let's just connect this guy in. Okay, we have life. So I'm going to press and hold this button now. And you can see it's blinking blue and like green. But nothing is actually... Oh, here we go. So it kind of just worked under. There was no repairing process. You can see we are connected. So first thing is you do of course have batteries, which is kind of a disadvantage of this S Pen because the Fold Edition has no batteries. Now the test that everyone's been wondering. So no support with the fold mode on in the inside screen. If I move to S Pen mode, no support either. I'm going to try and do some pairing magic. So I'm going to unlock this guy just so we can do 100%, you know, does it work or does it not work? And in S Pen mode, no go even on the outside screen. Let's try this button here, and still no go. I'll just try one more time with the Z Fold switch. Okay, no, I switch to Z Fold and still no action. So if you are wondering if the Pro Edition supports the outside screen, just one more time. No, it does not. Let's take a look at the inside screen. Yes, we are paired successfully. I'm curious, if I switch the mode to S Pen, will it still work on the inside? And you can see it gives me this error message saying I may damage my Z Fold. So I'll just switch that guy back. I'll tap on OK. Alright, let's take a look at some air actions. So if I close this guy, I must say it's very hard to open up this lid, but let's just do some air actions here. So let's just stay like this. Okay, so I'm double clicking and it's doing nothing. I press and hold. So what could be happening here is the actual pen itself is dead. So I'm going to quickly put it on the charger. If that's not the case, then I really have no clue what on earth is going on there. I really do not like how hard it is to open up this. Oh, there we go. You don't use your fingernails for it, I guess. So we're going to try the air actions. I'm going to press and hold. Press and hold. I'm going to press and hold this. So I'm a little bit confused here why none of this is working. I need to make a tutorial on how to use this guy, and I can't even use it myself. Usually a press and hold would open up the camera app, but it's doing nothing. It literally is doing nothing. Very weird. I'm gonna try and take a look at Bluetooth here. Maybe I'm not paired. And here we go. I am confused. You're probably confused as well. Usually when you press and hold, it opens up the camera app with air actions, but that is not working at all. It's blinking blue, assuming it wants to pair, but it's not allowing me to pair. I really don't know what to do. If anyone has any advice, do let me know. I'll figure this out tomorrow, but I don't know. What is the point of buying this other than the larger size? I really don't know. the action should be working, but they're not right now. I don't know if it's never gonna work. Someone needs to let me know in the comments. I'm a bit perplexed here, but yeah, I mean, it does its job. I really do like the larger feel here. No, I guess this is a fail. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.